In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be a CRM HubSpot expert. We'll move from the absolute essentials to expert level practices so you can confidently build, manage, and scale a CRM in HubSpot. Think of this as your guided roadmap. Start simple, understand the strategy behind each choice, then layer in customization, automation, and analytics to drive results. Begin with the fundamentals. Get comfortable with the building blocks, contacts as your database of people, deals to track revenue opportunities, pipelines to reflect sales stages, and tasks to manage follow-ups. Your first milestone is being able to stand up a basic CRM from scratch. Create a few sample contacts, add deals to a pipeline that mirrors a simple sales process, and schedule tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. Next, understand real CRM strategy, the why behind every click. Learn the lead lifecycle from visitor to lead to customer, and map how prospects move through a sales funnel and broader customer journey. When you grasp the strategy, you'll design systems that guide people forward instead of just storing data. Now, master customization. Use properties to add the custom fields your business needs, like budget or service type. Build views and lists to segment contacts cleanly so the right people get the right follow-up. Design pipelines that reflect how different teams sell, with clear named stages and entry criteria. Clean structure and naming conventions are what make a CRM usable at scale. Automation is the game changer. Use workflows to route leads, trigger emails, and create tasks automatically. A classic pattern is simple and powerful. A new lead receives a welcome email, ownership is assigned, and a follow-up task is created with a due date. This consistency is what turns a good system into a reliable growth engine. Level up email marketing inside HubSpot. Create templates for repeatable communication. Add personalization tokens to increase relevance. Organize efforts into campaigns. And use sequences for structured one-to-one outreach. Focus on messages that convert with clear calls to action and thoughtful timing. Measure what matters with reporting and analytics. Track conversion rates between stages, monitor sales performance, and identify your best lead sources. Use these insights to refine your pipeline, messaging, and automation. Practice with real use cases, like client services, insurance leads, or affiliate marketing. Adapt fields, pipelines, and workflows to each model and learn by doing. Earn credibility through HubSpot Academy certifications in CRM, inbound marketing, and email marketing. They're free and recognized. Finally, build sample systems to showcase your